Rude awakening. Mom, why did you turn that light on in my face? Because it's dark in your little hidey hole. She is hanging out in her hidey hole today, and I don't blame her. Ugh. Yuck. Hello. Hi. Yeah. I think the light from the camera is on. Should be. Sweetheart. I'm just going to zoom in. Fun times with all that snow, huh, kitty? Dust particles flying through the air. Look at this. Ew. I'm not a fan of snow to begin with. Yeah. Not so fun. That damn no. Oops, of course not I said it. Oh, sorry. There's a light coming from. Okay, I have to turn it off. Yeah. It's just the light from the dining room and such.